Okay, Dr. Quarantine's here. I've missed you so much. Today, we're gonna talk about... What are we gonna talk about? We're gonna talk about birds. Birds are so interesting and fun. We've been stuck at home, right? Yeah, we've been stuck at home. Yeah, we can't go to school. But right outside our window are all these birds. And everyone has different birds near their house. This is one of the coolest things I found when I moved to California. I went on a hike, and look at what I found. Look at this cool bird's nest. These are fake eggs. I got them from a craft store just to make it look interesting, but look at this bird's nest. Isn't that cool?
Look at my dress.
Yeah, look at how the birds get all the little sticks and they wind it into a nest. If you think that's awesome, give me a thumbs up. Isn't that cool? All right. All right. So since we've been spending time at home, we want to see, I want to know what types of birds do you have where you live? What types of birds do you have near where you live? How do you think we can figure that out? Yeah.
Oh, Mateo he said that they have hummingbirds in the orange tree.
You do? You know what's so funny? Speaking of that, I took some little oranges on my orange tree and I cut them in half and I put them on the ground just to see what would happen. And the birds have been eating out of my orange. So the hummingbirds are eating at your house, Mateo? That's so cool. So today, to see what kind of birds you have at your house, we are gonna make a bird feeder. We can actually make two types. You can either make one with a plate, or you can make one with a toilet paper tube. We have so many toilet paper tubes at our houses right now. Here's what you're gonna need. You need an adult. If you don't have one, go find one. You're gonna need either a paper plate or a paper towel tube or a toilet paper tube. You're gonna need some type of string or ribbon. Look at this fun ribbon I found. You're gonna need some peanut butter if you're gonna make the toilet paper tube kind. So sticky, but yummy. You're also this is why we need an adult, because we're gonna use scissors. Do we ever use scissors to cut our hair? No. Do we cut our clothes? No. That's why we need an adult. And if you're making the one with the peanut butter, we need a butter knife to smear it all over. Okay. Those are our materials.
How are your materials, Mateo?
You ready? You have them all? Okay. Perfect. Me too. You know what else I got? I got my tray because I make a mess everywhere all the time. Go figure. Okay. So here's our essential question. That means the question we're trying to answer. What birds do you have at your house? So in order to answer that, we need to know, what do birds eat? What do you think birds eat? Mateo, what do the birds eat at your house? You told us. What are your birds eating? What are your birds eating? What do you think birds might eat? Hey, Michaela, what do birds eat?
The grass.
You think the birds eat the grass?
Oh, grass, sí, también los tuyos, ¿verdad?
What do birds eat? I'm gonna flap my wings while you think about it. What do birds eat? Do they eat? Do they eat? Do they eat Chick-fil-A? Do they eat tacos?
¿Tus pajaritos comen tacos?
What do birds eat?
Dile semillas.
We're not sure?
No.
If you were a bird, what would you want to eat, Michaela?
I want to eat pasta.
You would want to eat pasta? Oh, me too. I bet you the birds would love some lasagna. I think birds want to eat bird seed. Bird seed. Mateo, what type of bird seed do you have? Can you show us your bird seed? Can you translate, Michelle?
Oh, wow. I can understand.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. Mateo, what kind of bird seed do you have?
¿Cuál tienes? Enséñale.
Can I see it? Oh, sunflower seeds. Me too. Look, we have the same kind. Perfect. Yes, mine are out of the shell so it doesn't make a mess. So birds eat bird seed, and I think birds also might eat bugs. And yeah, they might eat little bugs, maybe little worms. Yum. All right. Now, are we ready to make our feeder? Okay. First, let's get our toilet paper tube. Here we go. I better roll my feathers up. Here we go. Unscrew the peanut butter.
Vamos a poner las alas.
Ooh, it smells so good. Look at mine.
Vamos a poner las cosas en tu mesita, ¿ok?
Oh, Michaela, look. Okay, here we go. Scoop it up. Should I use a lot or a little? What do you think, Michaela? A lot or a little?
No.
You tell me when.
Okay.
Oh, boy. Oh, this is fun. I love getting messy. Look at, I'm just spreading it all over the tube. Should I only put it on half? What do you think? Michaela, do you think I need it on the whole tube or only part of it? Are you ice cream? I think ice cream would melt.
I like it.
You like it? Okay, I'm gonna paint the whole thing with peanut butter. Because I want the seed to stick to the whole thing. Look at that. Ooh, wait, that's a lot of peanut butter. Yum. Now, I'm gonna roll it in the seeds. I poured my seed on the plate. Oh, Mateo, that looks great. I think Mom's made these before. Mom's made a bird feeder before. Wow, that looks great, Mateo. All right, watch this. When you roll it in the seed, oh man. Oh, that looks delicious. Come close to the camera, Michaela. Look at what we made. Wow. Look at that.
It's like an ice cream cone.
It looks like an ice cream cone. You know, I have seen that one done too. You could take an actual ice cream cone and paint the peanut butter all over it and then roll it. And they like that too. And then the cone just disintegrates. This one, when it's done, you have to bring the tube back inside. Does that look, Michaela, does that look like it has enough seed on it?
Yeah.
You like that?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. And while Mateo rolls his, I'm gonna show you, oh, look at the good.
Oh, look at Mateo.
Look at it, looks so good. Great job. Oh, bleh. Oh, I went to lick the peanut butter and seeds. Good thing I'm a chicken. Ugh, not tasty. Good thing I'm a chicken. Quack, 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 quack. Mateo, now you want to cut a piece of string. That was really not a good seed. And I stuck my teeth. And then slide your string. I have a curly Christmas ribbon, but anything works. And slide it through your tube. And and tie it at the top. And that's how you make the hanging tube. Now, if you don't like that one and you wanted to try a different one and you had a paper plate, this is where the scissors come in again. You need to poke 3 holes in a triangle. Remember, we know what a triangle looks like. We can make the triangle on the plate. Triangle has 3 equal sides. That will keep the plate balanced when you try to hang it up. So you look at your triangle and we do hole number 1. And I go over to this corner. Hole number 2. Into this corner. Hole number 3. When we put the string in, that's going to keep the plate from going like this. Whoop, whoop. Can you imagine eating at a wobbly table? The bird will be like, oh my goodness. And then you take your bird seed. And you pile it up in the middle. Ooh, and then if I have like a little orange, I could put it on there too. It's like a bird buffet. And then, same thing. You're gonna take your string. And you're gonna feed it through the holes. My hands are covered in peanut butter. This is why you need an adult, because they have to help you cut strings and make holes. In your packets that you picked up yesterday, your parents got a little book like this, Bird Watching. And you're gonna get to watch the birds eat from these feeders, and then you get to tell us all about what's going on at your house at the bird feeders. I'm so excited to hear about it and see how fast they eat your bird seed. I'm gonna take pictures of my bird feeders too and share with you how fast the birds are eating from mine as well. Whoop. And then you're gonna take the 3 strings on this one and tie it up. Look. And then you tie it up with your 3 strings to wherever you want. Now, here's a serious question. Where do you think birds like to eat? Where should we put these awesome bird feeders? Should I just put it on the ground? Where's a safe place for birds to eat? Because there's dangers for birds. Like, oh, I can't find her right now because she's taking a nap. But Panda, my cat, goes outside, and what do you think she's looking at? What is she looking for outside? You don't know? Michaela, what do you think my cat goes outside to watch?
No.
She finds it so interesting. Mateo, what do you think my cat likes to watch when she goes outside? What do you think my big gato is looking at when she goes outside? She's hunting for them. She's looking at them. She's looking at the birds because they are so interesting to her. So to keep our birds safe, we need to put our bird feeders way up high. So when you choose the place for your bird feeder, make sure you hang it in a tree. Where else could we put it? Maybe we could hang it from a fence. You need to just make sure you put it up high so no neighborhood cats can get to your birds and they can eat from it freely without being scared. You did a great job. Does anyone have any questions?
Yeah.
What's your question, Michaela?
What's your question? I'm gonna get homework. This is reading my homework.
You're gonna do your homework?
Yeah.
I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see what kind of birds come to your house. Or you can watch out your window and tell me about them. There's so many outside.
Oh my God.
Yeah. You guys did an excellent job today. I'm so excited to see what birds show up at your house. And you're going to tell us all about it. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. You did so good.